they're going to ask you, but how? How do you do what you're doing? How? Is a very interesting question. You've been doing the work, my friends. You've been doing the work. And I'm so proud of you. The entire universe is so proud of you. I wanted to say the solar system. You might have a very strong solar plexus activation at this time. Your kids' ancestors, they're so proud. All the divine is just so proud of you right now. You're sparkling. You're just making waves. You're making noise and waves. Your vibration is heard all around this entire universe. You might be just at your own place, home. Confirmation on my phone. But just know that no matter where you are, you matter so much. And keep up doing the good work, because it's literally working. Never underestimate what you're doing. It is big. It is huge. I'm talking to a soul right now that is just, I wanted to say saving the words. And actually, I think this is exactly what it is. Your light, actually, at this time, is allowing Mother Gaia to transmute the chaos. Your soul is so pure, is so bright, that you're allowing the darkness, the dark forces to just leave, because you found yourself, because you put so much light into yourself. That is you're emanating all this light out of your system. You're just shining so bright right now that, like, it's as if your intention is so loud. The divine is taking you very seriously. God is taking you very seriously. It's actually a question, it's very interesting what I'm tapping into right now. It's a matter of responsibility. It's as if, like, the divine Goddess, all that is, gave you this gift, your uniqueness, the one that is supposed to make you famous, because you're supposed to be the best at what you do. You're the only one on this planet capable of doing what you're doing. But it's coming, like, with a great responsibility. We know that. And it's as if, like, you've been enough wise. That's so beautiful. That now they trust you to give you more. And I think what just happened recently is that you've been gifted a precious, very precious tool to work with. And it's like a nuclear bomb. And obviously, because you're so pure, you're going to use it very wisely, right? But that's the same intensity. This is exactly what I'm tapping into right now. And so therefore, there is so many angels, archangels, dragon. There is stellar races from beyond your own imagination that are working in sync with you right now. There is all the console of light that are watching you right now. You are extremely important for this universe, for this planet, for this world. I'm hearing someone that is like, oh, really? Like, that's the time, my friend, where you really have to not be so humble. I love you. Thank you for being humble, but this is your time to shine. Be proud of who you are. It was 444 on the screen. I love that you're humble. Believe me, you're the best. Again, work hard, stay humble, be humble, yeah. But at this time, you have to be so proud of the work you've been doing behind the scene. It's your time. It's your time to shine bright like a real diamond that you are. You're like, I think what I'm trying to say is that you've been a diamond in the rough for a very long time, doing the work behind the scene. Like you've been calling back your power. You've been literally connecting with your ancestors. You've been like just putting all the pieces together. And now the diamond is polished by God itself. God is taking your hand and making you understand why you've been pressured, like this carbon piece pressured AF, to illuminate the whole world. Because you're big, you're huge, you're the biggest diamond. You have no idea the impact of the world. I cannot make this up. This is loud. This is wild. Give talents, bring abundance. My friend, you've been doing the work. And it's time for you to see the outcome. That's why, please, show yourself. More than ever, speak your truth. More than ever, allow others to get inspired by you. Because that's how I started this video. They're going to wonder how. How do you do what you're doing right now? And that's the same message that I brought yesterday to my video. While they were doing something else, you've been doing the work extremely seriously. Very seriously. You took your mission very seriously. Your obedience, your devotion is actually beyond. Nothing could make you out of this path, because you knew back on your head that this moment would ultimately come. You never knew when. I'm telling you the truth right now. Put yourself out there, please. I created on my platform 1010healingsolution.com. You will see my website in the description box. I created the most powerful session to get you on track, to activate your soul mission fully, for you to be able to monetize your uniqueness, your unique gift, talents, and abilities. This is what you need right now. It's going to activate your soul, but it's going to clear out of your DNA anything that is not love, light, and truth, anything that is not aligned with your soul mission. Check my website. Your prayers will set you free. I'm telling you the truth right now. Your manifestation are coming. I'm talking to a soul that has manifesting this life that is coming, and it's accelerating at the speed of light. You've been doing your research. You've been doing the work. You've been connected to the deities. You've been connecting to your gods and goddesses. Whoa. You've been also going to places to activate your memories. Your soul has been activated, okay? Every single places you've been, it was to activate a part of your soul. Oof, oof, oof. You're going through the transformation that is bringing the good fortune. Thank you, God. I think it's just crystal clear. And that's the reward. That's why the whole how and the whole why is coming now with a big answer. Be blessed. And until next time, namaste.